In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Adobe Photoshop. So you want to start by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Adobe Creative Cloud, and then opening up the application like so. Once you've opened the Creative Cloud app, click on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side, select File, and then click on Preferences. Underneath the Installing section, you'll see this Default Install Language. Now here is where you want to select the language that you want to change to. So for example, let me select English International. Once you've selected your language, press Done, and then from the left-hand side, select Apps. Now you'll notice we now have this Install button next to the Photoshop application. Now don't worry, as this isn't going to reinstall the entire application, this is just going to install the new language to the app. So click on this Install button here. Once it's finished installing, you may open up the application. From Photoshop, click on Edit in the top navigation, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then select Preferences, and from here click on Interface. So now underneath Presentation, you'll have this UI language, and this is where you'll be able to change the language of your Photoshop. So you just need to make sure that you've installed the language via the Adobe Creative Cloud app before you're able to change the language here. And once you've selected your language, you can simply press OK. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your language in Adobe Photoshop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next